Hello students, hope you all are doing good. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು WRD HK ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಹಾಲ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರು. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ 30th, 31st and 1st date. Okay, so there are certain instructions along with the hall ticket which they have given. So ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ instructions ಓದಿ and I am making this video so that there should not be any confusion for you guys, because I am getting calls and the students are asking me whether this is allowed, that is allowed or what. that is allowed or not ಅಂತಂದ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೂ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾಲೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಸೊ ದ ವೆರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ದು ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ 10 AM ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ 2 PM. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಟು ಎಂಟರ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಹಾಲ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 9:50. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ afternoon shift you are not allowed to enter the exam hall after 1:50. So idana nenapittukori. And along with this they are saying considering all the measures which they have to take for the covid things and all, so they have to do thermal screening and all. So nimdellardu adar sambandha they recommend you to visit the exam center 1 hour before the said exam timing. Okay, and ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರಂದ್ರೆ, just to make your work easy next day during the exam, they have told you just visit the exam center 1 day prior, know the location and all, so that there should not be any confusion next day. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಟೋ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಯಾವ ಏರಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೈತಿ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಮೊದಲು ಹೋಗಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆಲ್ ಅವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸಿಟಿ wherein you are writing the exam. And the next point what they are saying is, you need to take blue or black ball pen, because here it is a offline paper and you need to put the round mark in the OMR sheet. So other sambandha you are recommended to take ball pen, ink pen adu use madakalavilla, that to blue or black pen only. And along with this you are allowed to take even pencil also. Okay, so now coming to the most important point, that is calculator. So whether the calculator is allowed or not, calculator is not allowed. You can just read the instructions again. So no electronic devices like your Bluetooth, earphone or smartwatch or any kind of calculator, either simple calculator or scientific calculator, nothing is allowed in the exam center. So mostly our calculator allow madilla andra you can assume, okay, I cannot say you 100% ki numericals can be very less, because last time they had allowed calculator for the WRD exam, but ee sala allow madilla, numericals kami kelabahadu avaru. But let's not take the risk. When you are preparing, you prepare theory as well as numerical in the proper way. And you are allowed to carry your own very small sanitizer, and you have to wear the mask, and you have to maintain the social distancing even outside the exam center also. So ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಗುಂಪಾಗಿ ನಿಂತು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊತ ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲೇ, so there also you have to maintain the social distancing, all the basic covid precautions and all you have to take care there in the exam hall as well as outside the exam hall. And you know that the exam is objective, so there will be 4 options, one option will be right in that, and for 1 mark question there will be 0.25 negative marking. And for the compulsory Kannada paper, the marks whatever you get in the Kannada paper, it is not counted for the final valuation or for the final result. That exam is just for qualifying for you guys, that's it. So adralage niಮಗೆ 150 out of 150 ಬಂದ್ರೂ that will not affect your overall technical as well as general studies results. Keep that in your mind. And when you get the question paper in the exam, so that time you should see the series ABCD at series irtav question paper mela, and whether you have got the same series in the OMR sheet or not, and whether everything is rightly printed or not. So you have to check each and everything. If there are any discrepancies, then you have to inform the invigilator prior only. And along with your hall ticket you have to take one original ID proof. So it can be either your Aadhaar card, passport or PAN card, driving license, voter card, anything, but it should be original, remember. So if irlilla andre nim kade, that is hall ticket or original ID card, and if you don't wear the mask, then you are not allowed to enter the exam hall. So these are all the things which they have given in the instructions in your hall ticket also. So don't have any confusions, these are the things which are allowed. And what I can suggest you is, you can take the calculator. So if they allow, you just take into the exam hall. If they don't allow, keep that in your bag outside. and you are not allowed to take any code book, neither log book, nothing, and no any white paper, nothing. So ಏನು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, when you are entering the exam hall, you can take pencil, blue or black pen, then one hall ticket, one ID proof. So nothing more than this, that's it. And some of you guys have got the exam center as Belagavi. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಗೆ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್. ಹೋಪ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 9 more days are remaining. Put your 100%, study more than 15 hours because competition is not much. There are less than, I think there are around something 3,000 applications for this particular exam. So study very seriously. This 9 days can change your life. Saying this, all the very best.